Hello guys, let's take a look at Nature Valley Crunchy Granola Bar with roasted almonds. You get two bars. It's made with whole grain oats and only has about 98 calories. I'm not a big fan of health snacks, but let's see how this one tastes. Costs around 35 rupees or around 50 cents, and looks promising. Looks quite crunchy. You get about two bars in it, and as you can see, it's really flaky. Let me put one of them in so that I can taste the other one. Let me taste it. It's uh, quite crunchy and tastes really nice for a health snack. After the video, I finished both them, so quite nice. Check it out. Spot the intruder.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe to get more videos every day.